Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Canada Immigration Daily. We hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, we will be discussing an important and often overlooked aspect of Canadian immigration, whether immigration, refugees and citizenship. Canada IRCC and the Canada Border Services Agency CBSA check your social media profiles during the application process. Before we dive into this critical topic, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss an update about Canadian immigration. If you find this information helpful, please share it with others who might benefit from it. Does IRCC look at your social media? Yes, IRCC and CBSA can and do check applicants' social media profiles as part of the verification process. Immigration officials compare the information provided in an application with publicly available data, including social media accounts. Any inconsistencies between your application and what is visible online can be grounds for refusal or even inadmissibility to Canada. For instance, if you mention that you are unemployed in your immigration application, but your LinkedIn profile states that you are employed at a particular company, this could raise a red flag. Similarly, if your social media posts contradict information provided in your application, you may be required to explain the discrepancies. If you fail to provide a satisfactory explanation, your application could be denied due to misrepresentation. Case study: a real-life example of social media verification. To illustrate the importance of social media accuracy, let's look at a real case from the Canadian Federal Court. A man applied for permanent residence under the Skilled Worker Program. However, the visa officer reviewing his case discovered that the applicant failed to mention his involvement with a particular company. The company's website listed him as the executive chairman, and his LinkedIn profile indicated that he was a board member. These details were not included in his application. The visa officer provided the applicant an opportunity to explain the discrepancy. However, the explanation was deemed inadequate, and the officer concluded that the applicant had committed material misrepresentation. As a result, the individual was declared inadmissible to Canada. This case highlights how immigration officers actively verify details through public sources and emphasizes the need for consistency in all submitted documents and online profiles. The consequences of misrepresentation. Misrepresentation is a serious offense under Canadian immigration law and carries severe consequences. Even an unintentional mistake can lead to immediate application refusal, a 5-year ban from entering Canada, a permanent record of fraud in IRCC's database, loss of permanent resident status if already granted, revocation of Canadian citizenship if obtained through misrepresentation, criminal charges, or removal from Canada. Immigration officers do not take misrepresentation lightly, and innocence is generally not accepted as a defense. If an applicant provides false, misleading, or incomplete information, they risk severe penalties regardless of intent. If you're finding this video helpful so far, please hit the like button and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. How to avoid misrepresentation in your application. Avoiding misrepresentation requires careful attention to detail. Here are some best practices to ensure that your application is accurate. Be honest and transparent. Always provide truthful and complete information, even if it might negatively impact your chances. It's better to explain potential issues up front rather than have them discovered later. Double-check your application before submitting. Review all details to ensure accuracy. Check dates, names, and employment history for consistency. Update IRCC about any changes. If any personal details change while your application is being processed, for example, job status, marital status, address, notify IRCC immediately. Ensure social media consistency. Make sure that your LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and other social media profiles do not contradict the information in your application. Consult an immigration lawyer. If you are unsure about any aspect of your application, consider seeking professional legal advice to avoid mistakes. Want to stay updated on all things Canada immigration? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Why social media matters in immigration applications. Social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram are commonly checked by immigration officers because they provide insights into an applicant's background, work experience, and even character. Red flags that could trigger concerns include employment history that differs from what was stated in the application, indications of residency in another country despite claiming residence in Canada, contradictory statements regarding marital status or dependence, evidence of criminal behavior or association with groups that may be deemed a security risk. Since IRCC considers publicly available information, anything you post online can be used to assess the credibility of your application. Quick reminder, if you haven't liked this video yet, please do so now. It helps us a lot and ensures that more people can access this important information. Final thoughts and recommendations. Ensuring accuracy and consistency in your application is essential for a successful immigration process. Here's a recap of what you should do. Always be truthful and transparent. Check your application thoroughly for errors. Monitor your social media profiles to avoid discrepancies. Notify IRCC of any changes immediately. Seek legal advice if unsure about your application. By following these guidelines, you can prevent misrepresentation and avoid unnecessary delays or refusals. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and comment below. Your engagement helps us grow and continue providing you with valuable immigration updates. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the entire video. We hope this information has been helpful. See you in the next update. Until then, take care and stay informed. Subscribe to Canada Immigration Daily for the latest immigration news and updates.